चले सब मिल पेड़ लगाए, धरती को सब मिल आज सजाए। आओ चले सब मिल पेड़ लगाए, धरती को सब मिल आज सजाए। मिल के पेड़ लगाएंगे, पर्यावरण को सजाएंगे। मिल के पेड़ लगाएंगे, पर्यावरण को सजाएंगे। धरती को करके हरी भरी, धरती को करके हरी भरी, यही पर स्वर्ग उतारेंगे। मिल के पेड़ लगाएंगे, मिल के पेड़ लगाएंगे। अनगिनती जब पेड़ लगेंगे धरती पर, अनगिनती जब पेड़ लगेंगे धरती पर। झमझम पानी बरसाएगा फिर अंबर, ओ झमझम पानी बरसाएगा फिर अंबर। बारिश की बूंदों में धरती नहाएगी, खेतों में सुंदर फसल लहराएगी। बारिश की बूंदों में धरती नहाएगी, खेतों में सुंदर फसल लहराएगी। इसलिए तो मिल के पेड़ लगाएंगे, पर्यावरण को सजाएंगे। मिल के पेड़ लगाएंगे, पर्यावरण को सजाएंगे। धरती को करके हरी भरी, धरती को करके हरी भरी, यही पर स्वर्ग उतारेंगे। मिल के पेड़ लगाएंगे, मिल के पेड़ लगाएंगे। पेड़ों से बनती है कितनी दवा, देता ये फल फूल अच्छी हवा। पेड़ों से बनती है कितनी दवा, देता ये फल फूल अच्छी हवा। छोटे और बड़े से पेड़, मोटे और हरे से पेड़, छोटे और बड़े से पेड़, मोटे और हरे से पेड़। दिखता कितना अच्छा है, यही दोस्त एक सच्चा है। इसलिए तो के पेड़ लगाएंगे, पर्यावरण को सजाएंगे।
Save tree, save earth. Thank you.
Be fair, don't pollute the air. Thank you.
My topic for today is air pollution. Air pollution is a type of environmental pollution. It is usually caused by smoke and some other harmful gases like oxide of carbon, nitrogen, etc. Air pollution is responsible for melting glaciers, which disturb the balance of our nature. Plastic products and polythene bags are the main reason of increase in pollution. Increase in pollution increase the temperature of our globe. Follow, reuse, reduce, recycle to control the pollution. Thank you.
We should plant every day a tree because it clean air and water and give us fresh oxygen.
Angry when I see the waste, when I see the people throwing away the things we could use. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Everyone, I am Anika Kushal of class 6A. I am an environment supporter. I am taking care of my indoor plants. Happy friends, today I am going to tell a slogan on Environmental Day. It is our duty to save the earth and its beauty. Thank you. Don't be greedy, it's time to be greeny. Save earth. Save trees, save earth. Thank you.
Don't let nature become once upon a time. Happy World Environment Day.
Don't be greedy and be greeny. It's time for nature. Thank you. Happy Environment. Don't be greedy, be greeny. It's time for nature. Happy Environment Day. Thank you.
Let's nurture the nature so that we can have a better future. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you.
Save environment in present for better life in future. Thank you and wish you a well environment.
Save environment, save life. Happy Environment Day. Thank you.
Save plant, save earth, minimize the use of wood and woodland products. Thank you.
Save tree, save earth. Happy Environment Day.
Hello everyone, I am Palak Kumari from 4B and Happy Environment Day. Save tree, save earth. Plant more tree, make the environment pollution free. Thank you.
East or west, going to the green is best. Happy Environment Day. Thank you.
Save tree, save life. Plant one tree, save 1,000 of life. Thank you.
Friends, my name is Siddhi. 5th June is celebrated as Environment Day. Let's take a place that we should not damage Earth.
Don't be greedy, it's time to be greeny. If you can't reuse it, then refuse it. Save earth, save tree. Thank you.
Save earth. Deforestation should be decreased and we should not use wood products more and more. And also, if we have to leave more, then we should have to plant more. Go green.
Hello friends, my name is Yashishreya. Now I have to tell slogan about World Environment Day. Let's go green as it makes environment clean. Thank you.
I am Akshat Gautam from class 4B. Please don't cut the tree. Save tree, save life. Thank you. Good morning to all. Today I am Janvi Shri from class 4B. This is my activity on Environment Day. Plant trees, save life, save earth. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Aradhya from class 4B. Happy Environment Day. Save plants, save trees, save nature. Thank you.
Plant tree for a better future. Save tree, save life. Happy Environment Day.
Don't pollute water, don't pollute air, don't pollute environment, and don't pollute yourself. Celebrate Environment Day. Happy Environment Day. Thank you.
Hello, I am Arnab Kumar of class 4B. Plants say you can't live without love. I think oxygen is more important. Wish you a happy Environment Day. Thank you.
I am Piyush Darshan of class 4B. This is my activity on Environment Day. For better tomorrow, plant more and more trees to make this planet better to live in. Happy Environment Day. Thank you.
I am Stuti Vats of class 4B. Save life, save earth. Thank you. When you cut down a tree, you kill a life. When you save a tree, you save a life. When you plant a tree, you plant a life. Thank you and have a nice day.
My name is Ranveer Kumar. I am studying class 4B. I am telling a slogan on Environment Day. Better environment, better tomorrow, save tree, save life. Thank you.
Save the green, let the earth smile. Happy Environment Day. Thank you.
Earth does not belong to us. We belong to the earth. Go green. Happy Environment Day.
Save environment, save earth. Happy Environment Day.
Don't be greedy. It's time to be greeny. Save earth, save life. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hello everyone. My name is Ananya Mengotia. Better environment, better tomorrow. So save earth, save life. Happy Environment Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Ayush Raj. I am in class 4B. cannot get oxygen. Without oxygen, we cannot live. Happy Environment Day to you all. Thank you.
My name is Minal, class 4B. Save the environment, save the world. Happy Environment Day. Thanks.
Go green to breathe clean. Happy Environment Day.
Save trees, save Earth. The future is in our hand. Let's take a stand to preserve the land. Save trees, save Earth. We are the graduates of Nature's World. Wish you all a happy Environment Day.
Hi everybody, I am Lavanya from 5C. This is my project work to save our Mother Earth. No earth, no bird. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Hardik Raj from class 4B. Save plants, save life.
My name is Rachita. Today I am going to tell the slogan about World Environment Day. What we are doing to the forest of the world is but a mirror reflection of what we are doing to ourselves and one another.
Good evening, sir. My name is Yash Kumar. I am from class 5B. Today I am showing my presentation. This is my home. This is my city, Begusrai. This is my state, Bihar. This is my country, India. This is my continent, Asia. This is my planet Earth.